Sell globally, accept payments locally. This video shows you how to add Flutterwave as your payment gateway in Paymattic. Reach a wider audience and simplify your payment process in seconds. Let's get started. Before getting started, I have to tell you that this is a pro feature. So if you need this feature, you'll have to purchase the pro version. Head over to the payment gateway from the Paymattic dashboard and scroll down a bit. You'll see the Flutterwave icon. That's your start player. Click to get started. Next, you'll need to fill in your public and secret keys. To grab those, log into your Flutterwave account and head to Settings. There, you'll find a keys section. Just hit Generate for a fresh pair. Now, copy and paste them into the corresponding fields in Paymattic. Then save the settings. That's almost it. Now, we need to set up the webhook. Copy the URL provided in Paymattic. Head over to the webhook section in your Flutterwave settings and paste the URL there. Don't forget to add the secret hash and adjust any other preferences you want. Once you're happy, hit save and you're all set. With a few clicks and some copy-pasting magic, your Flutterwave payment gateway is ready to roll in Paymattic. Now, accepting payments will be smooth for you and your customers.